because we're gonna watch Spit. We're gonna watch Spit. Pero right now, we're at Coffee Bean to have dinner. Hindi ka ba fan ng Spit?
Pangarap
Okay
ko
lang.
actually maging spit.
Totoo, maging improv.
Mga ganyan, theater something. Makikita ko.
Ang feeling.
Kasi kuya ano siya,
Pareho kayo, maboka kayo. Yeah. Hi! Welcome to Theater at Soler. First time in a theater.
Yes.
Dali lang, pwede mag-interview.
Yes, it's my first time.
What's your ano? Para kang...
Parang akong gagraduate.
Congrats! Kung may tatawagin ka, Ramos. Valedictorian. 30 minutes before showtime. Girl, you know, bang.
My earrings.
Excited? Parang ba ng baby boy na mo?
First time.
Spin mo! Hello? Yeah!
Yo!
Nalulungkot ako. Napakalalim ng Tagalog na ito.
So, about to meet them. Can we have a photo with you? Go, babe, here na lang sa akin. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Missy. He's from Canada. Oh, hindi naman Canadian.
Welcome back.
Rochester, pwede ba picture? Ang galing niyo po. We're melody, harmony, and rhythm. Video mo kami.
One more.
Ate, pic kayo.
Natuwa lang ako na nakita ko sa uli. Pareho kasi yung student. Sobrang.
Picture.
Hindi naman. Bita-bita na kailangan. Hindi dapat ako. Hindi dapat yung mega.
Smile, smile. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Hi, Ricky!
I'm their sister.
Dami niyo pa ang Doremi ni Dora. Oh my God! Dinadala ko lang din, di ba? Dinadala ko lang din yan. One more.
2, 3. One more. 1.
Hey, thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Leia.
3. One more. Rhythm. And symphony is abroad.
Go, babe. Let them your phone then para they can take a photo of us.
Mabilis lang ako, yung mga Canadians.
Go, go.
Ito yung, as a musical family.
Yeah, thank you. Pictures. names, you're so good. Ari, can we have a photo with you? Go lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. Happy? Are you happy, boy?
Yes.
Mission accomplished, ah.
Meet,
Ayan.
Aaron
And Missy. Ayan na. Ay, yes, Danay. Full and half. May sinisiraan na naman po silang tao.
Sa survivor. Ganun nga.
May sinisiraan na naman sila, eh. Ayaw nilang tumigil kahit sa soler.
Hi guys. It's my first time handling this. We're on our way outside. Yeah. On our way outside. On our way out.
Outside.
Ba't ang ganda ko dito? Yung skin ko. Ah, okay. Dapat pala ito.
Sumatayo sa chair. Nakakatawa.
We're here at Neon Bashte for dinner. Finally, Neon. May neon drinks.
Happy birthday, Riden.
And ate.